number of people who are poor. All of us knows that, right? I am very much devastated to hear that only 12% of the whole population of the students in this country are placed in Band 1. If we really, Your Excellency, can do something about this, we can appreciate, because there is no point of giving 12% of the whole population to Band 1 and expect that the other people will just have to appeal. Why would I say this? It's because when giving 12%, you knew very well, or the team knew very well, that you have a lot of poor people in this country. So at least they will have at least given a bigger percentage to these people, and at least consider also those people who are earning maybe middle or who have bigger salaries. I believe that in this meeting where we are seated, we have to be having at least 50% of the whole population placed in either Band 1 or 2. Then the little number of people in this country who at least can acquire what they need in life to be placed in those other bands, at least 50%, so that it can strike a balance. Number 2, Your Excellency, as Mongale, I believe that you really wish well for our university. And I know very well that you have the interest of those people who are needy in this society of Kenya at heart. And I would ask this for elaboration kindly. The other day, the directive was given that students will just go join to university, then without even paying anything. Let's reason out, how will it be when students are in university? Yes, they have not paid the money, they need services. We have workers, we have lecturers, and all other stakeholders that really need to be paid. Of course, there are basic services that you really need in our university. So, how are the university going to manage this? If I said I only need a clarification. Then, Mr. President, I will also need maybe some explanation on this, the placement. Of course, everybody is saying the funding model is the brilliant thing that has ever happened in this country. But now the problem is its implementation. In a case where, of course, we have parameters to place these students in Band 1 to either Band 5. But now how is a kid, maybe whose parents have separated informally? Of course, lately we are having a lot of broken marriages and everything. Of course, you can find sometimes even children end up remaining on their own, or maybe staying with their grandparents. As a student, or as this kid, how are they going to present themselves? How are they going to defend themselves when it comes to their placement? Because they don't have anything to show.
Thank you, Magineta. You have asked 3 questions. I think it's only fair that we stop there. Thank you very much. Maybe we can give one more person up Mbele, or yeah, maybe this guy at in front here. Yep.
To His Excellency, Mr. President, all protocols observed. I am Nick Okoth from the